How are you, friend? Today we are going to learn in EVS Standard 4 Chapter 1 Part 2 the vital parts of our body. Dear friend, we are much more familiar in the last chapter about the Part 1, that is the heart. Now we are going to learn the circulation of blood in the heart. Dear friend, in circulation of the blood, the heart and lung work in a close association with each other. Blood from right ventricles of the heart comes into the lungs. Blood take up oxygen and give up carbon dioxide into the lungs. Very important it is. Blood take up oxygen and give up carbon dioxide into the lungs. This carbon dioxide is breathed out by the nose. Dear friend, oxygenated blood returns to the heart into the left atrium. From there it reaches to all the part of our body. So we get the fresh oxygen to our body each and every part. Dear friend, the blood vessels that carry oxygenated blood to all parts of body are called arteries. It appear red in color and have thick wall. Dear friend, the blood vessels that carry oxygenated blood to all parts of the body are called arteries. It appear red in color and have thick wall. The blood vessels that carry impure blood that contain waste material collected from different parts of body is called veins. Dear friend, the blood vessels that carry impure blood that contain waste material collected from the different parts of body is called vein. So interesting it is about circulation of the body. Dear friend, now let's familiar with the Dear friend, the stomach is an organ that digests the food that we eat. Dear friend, the stomach is the organ that digests the food that we eat. Digestion is the process of breaking food into parts small enough to be absorbed by the bloodstream. Dear friend, let me repeat one more time. Digestion is the process of breaking food into parts small enough to be absorbed by the bloodstream. Blood carries this digested food to the various parts of the body to give energy. Dear friend, we get the energy from the food, right? And that food is digested in the stomach. And the digestion means breaking the food into the small parts. Now, how digestion is carried out? Dear friend, digestion begins in mouth as we chew our food. After the food is chewed properly, we swallow it, right? It moves down through a tube called food pipe. Let me repeat one more time. It moves down through a tube which is known as food pipe. See over here, the first one, food pipe, to our stomach. Stomach is like a bag that releases digestive juice. The food mixed in it and form a paste. From there it passes to the long thin tube which is known as small intestine. Dear friend, juice is mixed in the food and from there it becomes the paste. From there it passes to the long thin tube which is known as small intestine. Dear friend, food broken down more and more and more by the digestive juice. Blood absorbs digested food through the wall of small intestine and distributed to the all part of the body. Are you getting my point? Blood absorbs digested food through the wall of small intestine and distributed to the all part of the body. The undigested food passed to the large intestine and is later removed from the body. The undigested food passed to large intestine and it later removed from the body. Next is the liver. The liver is the largest organ of the body. Most IMP it is, my dear friend. Which is the largest organ of the body? It is liver. liver is the largest organ of the body. It lives next to the stomach in right side. Liver is next to the stomach in the right side. For why liver is important? Because it digests of fat. Dear friend, liver help in digestions of fats. So body fats is digested by the liver. It helps removing harmful chemicals from the body. Dear friend, liver is used to help us in removing harmful chemicals from the body in the form of waste material through the kidney. Are you getting my point, my dear friend? So important liver is, because liver used to remove the harmful chemicals from the body in the form of waste material through the kidney. Now let's familiar with the last point, that is kidney. Dear friend, the kidney are the pair of bean-shaped organ inside our body. They lies on the each side of the spinal cord near your waistline. Dear friend, the kidney are the pair of a bean-shaped organ inside our body. They lies on which side? On the each side of spinal cord near your waistline. Kidney is important because it remove the waste part, waste things from our body. They filter all the waste from the blood. See how kidney is very important to us, because kidney help us to remove the waste from our body. They filter all the waste from the blood of our body. The waste get collected in the urinary bladder and is removed out as urine. Let me repeat one more time. The waste get collected in the urinary bladder and is removed out as urine. Dear friend, we have learned so many things of our internal parts of the body, especially brain, lungs, heart, then the circulations of the blood, stomach, liver, kidney. So many things we have learned. Dear friend, listen me carefully. If any of this vital organ is not able to function properly, it could be fatal for life. So keep your vital organ healthy by maintaining a healthy lifestyle. What is a healthy lifestyle? Healthy lifestyle means wake up daily in the morning, eat healthy food, used to walk, right? Do exercise. It makes our vital organs be good, right? Dear friend, now what things we have to remember is that veins are the thin walled tubes that carry the impure blood back to the heart. Stomach receive all the food we eat and then digest it. Small intestine provide all the nutrients to bloodstream through its wall. Liver removes all the harmful chemical from the bloodstream, and kidney are the bean-shaped organ that removed waste material in the form of urine. This all the things to remember is given in the page number 10. Dear friend, here our first chapter part 2 is totally completed. Dear friend, we have learned so many things about the vital parts of our body.